Good morning. No? Today is about April 5. No, I'm here in the San Antonio de Padua. No, so again here, no, sa paliko ko potong, ano lang no, ay tabo ni. Okay, ay tabo ni. Okay, see here, no. Okay, I'm done to support the government, the environment, no, soil pollution, so electric scooter. So here, no, again, much more fun here in Cebu City, Philippines. Why is it? No? Because we have our own airlines, the Cebu Pacific Airlines, in which wala may Manila Airlines, wala Davao Airlines, no? And the mother of all festival, the Sinulog Mardi Gras, no? So here, the Sinulog, no? Sinulog, more fun in Cebu. Heart is pure care, no operation, no injection, no medicine, no? With Arwin Ergometer, healthy, yeah? Again, money atong management, no? So, ang kontra, again, Arwin Ergometer is based on the stress test. This is the Mayo Clinic, yeah, by which in the whole world, no, you can browse them. What is the stress test? Which the definition in them? It's about no how. Then the Texas Heart Center Institute, no, by which nga karon no, is about nga lalagay yo 2 to 3 minutes, no, the doctor will technician will increase the speed or the treadmill session, no basketball, no volleyball, no walking or pedaling uphill, no. And then sa Mayo Clinic po, it's about the treadmill begins stationary bike as incline, no? The treadmill increases, resistance increases in the stationary bike, by which we base this the Arwin Ergometer, no? Now karon here unique na kayong Arwin Ergometer, no? Tambal sa tanang sakit no dili tumaron, in which exercises, no, with the showroom at B. Rodriguez, no? And then telephone number 2534581. Here's all the management, no? Again, ang atong kontra kita rin nakapasal sa laboratory test, no, in which, no, we base on the stress test. Here atong makunta, no, nga huwag ka na lagi basta na naman na siya weight bearing, no, na siya weight bearing. Kini siya is about nga uy nagsikad di mo mudagan magali, how much more nga mudagan mi ako nga 3/4 to, no. Again, once lagi the eyes can see here, no, the ears can hear, perfect for the brainstem. That's the brain, no. Ayo ka, again, that's the brain, you can understand, no. And then what's the most important thing is the heart. Again, the heart, no. So karon dililay ka mo palito Arwin Ergometer. So yes, Arwin Ergometer, no. Again, di ako'y model, no, si Chris, no. Pila edad mo, Chris? Oh, geez, no. Again, much better magud ang bata kay open-minded pa kay sila kaysa mga dagko, no, nga ana na lagi sila ilang kaugalingon, no, in which this is the tension, no, or a break. This is about timbangon tani nani sa 2 kilograms, by which ang 10 kilograms, no. Again, we base on the stress test na siya tension and break. Okay, Chris, lakaw Chris dito, Chris. Lakaw pa daw dito. Pikas court. So again, no, the stress test, sige Chris, ang case, no, on the stress test na siya tension and break, no. Again, kanilagay yung mga karaan nga mga exercises, no, ang which gali bitaw ang kanang sige Chris, lahos ang Chris, in which bitaw ang kanatong climate ni change man, no. Everything in this world is about change, no. O lagi mapahayop man o pahalaman. Balik Chris, mapalaman may pagbabago, no, lahat na dito sa mundo may pagbabago, which up to the people, no, nga kanmo lagi nga inyong brain, no, ang inyong exercises nga naibawan obsolete na, by which maluoy man ko gitagaan ta mo ga idea sundalan ni, no. This is about nga 10 kilograms, no, 10 kilograms by laos pa Chris, last more Chris, balik Chris more. So last one niya, again thank you kay ni Chris, no. So here again naguyod siya o mo na siya tension, no, mo na siya pasabot atong tension or break, no, in which gahilig kay nimo niglakaw, no, mao na wa sa mga exercises in which mo duwa po kag basket, volleyball, golf tanan naaana, no. Again naakaana mo na siya gitawag tension. Suway lang kay kanang karaan lagi mo ra bina first na magini mo lagi na nga thanks to the Google, no, nga mo term kag stress test ergometry mo gawas to ano Arwin Ergometer. So Chris, gahi Chris lakaw nimo di kayo, no, is about nga 2 kilograms sa mana mo lagi nabutangan natong 10 kilograms. Sige Chris, dagan ko, no, Chris, padong ito Chris. Okay, so here atong ipadagan, no, mag running lagi ka, no, maguyod day kag ligid, no. Again mao na, no, so balik Chris last. So again, no, maguyod kag ligid ana ang stress test, no. But again thank you Chris, no. But again so mao lagi na nga is about nga we based on the stress test, no, nya continuous without stopping for 1 hour. We'll see in laboratory test, no, pasado sa lab test, no. Again, this is for all the Filipino, yeah, especially again artist na po naka Arwin Ergometer.